Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to lower quality in Netflix to reduce the data usage. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to App Settings. And as you can see here, there is an option called Video Quality. So if you want to lower the quality to reduce the data usage, just click on Standard, and like that, the video quality will be a little bit lower, but you will use less data on your phone while you are watching Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next